What's up, ladies and gents, and welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bridget, bringing you all things fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So I'm starting off the video, just kind of prefacing it. I'm going to show you a little bit of Juneteenth, and then when I come back, I'm going to show you a Walmart try-on haul. And I'm trying to decide if I show you the other things that I got. I may do another video for accessories. So let's get started with what we did for Juneteenth. What's up, guys? I'm coming at you with another vloggy vlog with the husband there. We are driving to Galveston, Texas to celebrate Juneteenth, which is what, hour down the street?
An hour? You mean at the place that we're gonna
No,
park?
from where we live.
Oh, it's been about an hour, yeah.
So yeah, I'll make sure to capture some Juneteenth festivities. This is also Father's Day weekend, which this is the first time it's fell on Father's Day, huh, babe? Juneteenth?
I guess, I don't know.
Anyway, as you can see, my husband is HBCU proud, FAMU in the house, and he is an alpha man. So he is repping today with his HBCU educated alpha shirt on. I just got on a plain white t-shirt and some little bubble shorts that y'all have seen before. So anyway, when we get out there, show you guys some of the festivities going on. Galveston, we made it in, y'all. Also, just for context, this is one of my clients' event, Nia's Daughters Movement Collective. This is their second annual. We did the event last year. I'm gonna put some footage in here so y'all can see them, you know, dancing and all that good stuff. Yeah, anyway, I'll catch y'all later.
Yep. That, Pensacola, all this.
Pensacola, Florida?
Yep, all this remnants. It's French inspired.
French Quarter?
It's French inspired.
Oh, Galveston Square.
Director of Nia's Daughters Movement Collective, and we are here at the Juneteenth Partners, Nia's Daughters. I'm so happy that you came to Galveston. The answer, Jumbo! I am Sister Mama Sonia, the Granny Griot. You're destined to be now, baby, I believe. It's all we build a house.
So what's up, guys? We left the event. As you saw, I put in footage of the event. It was a great event. Came to the outlet mall here, and the Nike store is closed because I need some new running shoes. But now we are getting ready to go to Buc-ee's.
Got excited and almost dropped the phone.
I know, right?
Where they do that at?
I don't know. Anyway, going to Buc-ee's because I am hooked. Babe has me hooked on the brisket sandwich.
Crack. Brisket crack.
I wouldn't say that, but
oh, wait a minute. Let me see if I can get it.
yeah. So anyway, going to get some briskets, sandwiches or sandwich.
No, you're probably
and some
right.
chips.
Sandwiches.
Well, yeah, because you're going to get one too.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, I'll pick you guys back up later. So for Father's Day, I showed you what we did for Juneteenth. For Father's Day, we took, well, my husband's kids took him out to dinner, but it was also my mother-in-law's birthday, his mom's birthday. And I only stayed for about 30 minutes because I took my dad to a beautiful restaurant here in Houston. And I didn't really record. I didn't get any pictures because I just wanted some things I want, to keep, with my family, to my family, for myself. And then my dad, so this is my stepdad who lives here in Houston. And then my dad is in Alabama. So I got him a card and, put a gift card in there and sent that to him and called him, of course, for Father's Day. So like I said, I don't have any pictures or anything, but here's the short that you can go see or go watch of what I wore, taking my dad out to Father's Day brunch. And it was a great time. And again, I think I said in the short, happy Father's Day. And we appreciate all the dads, all the surrogate dads, everyone who is a dad. We thank you guys for being in our lives. Before I get started, I just want to show you my outfit of the day. I have on this blue, it's a darker blue, I don't know if you can tell, but it's a darker blue pinstripe shirt that I got from H&M in New Orleans last year. My husband took me to New Orleans in October, the day after my birthday, and we went shopping there, and I picked up a bunch of tops. I never seem to have enough tops, but anyway, and then I just have on my cello, I think it's cello jeans that I got from Trend Mall, and that's it, just a little casual look. Today was a work from home look today, and I just have on my Nike slides. I mean, not my Nike slides, my slippers that I have in the house. But anyway, just a little casual look, nothing fancy, that's all. Okay, you see the rack over there? Now it's on to the try-on haul. Okay, first I'm gonna start out with the items that I found at Walmart, and these are on sale. So the first one is this graphic tee that has Tahiti on it. I got this on the sale rack. Guess what I paid? $4. This was on sale for $4. Now I'd seen this shirt that other people had this shirt, and I didn't see it at our Walmart. So I don't know if we get stuff late, and I live in Houston. So I don't know if we get stuff late or if it's just this particular Walmart. But anyway, I'm showing you here how I've styled it. Then I found other ways to style this shirt. I'm so excited for this graphic tee because what I understand, graphic tees are coming back in style this year. So this is the first one that I kind of liked, because I like the yellow. As you can see it here, I have some orange pants and some other things that I styled with it. Y'all, I'm sorry, I don't remember what I styled with this, so I won't remember until I actually do the video. I may have to go back and look, but anyway, as you can see, the side shot here, I'm showing you different ways that I've styled this shirt. Anyway, on to the next one. Okay, this next top I got is by Mills. It's it's Bobby Millie Brown. Bobby, let me just look at the tag instead of trying to guess. It is Millie Bobby Brown. This little halter top here. Now, the only thing is I don't remember how much I paid for it, but as you can see over here, I'm showing you how I styled it. Because I think I have on same pair of the little pants that I call them genie pants, but they're jeans. And I got those a couple of years ago. I forgot something I saw online. Now ads pop across your phone when you're looking at something on LinkedIn or something like that. But anyway, I've styled this. I had this on the other day, and you can see the short here, and I put it with the shirt that I'm about to show you next, and my free assembly jean skirt that I got from Walmart. So I thought this is really cute. I would probably, I don't know, I may wear this by itself or with the jacket. I think I'm showing you with the jacket over it. Now, let me say something. The reason why I don't remember is because I did this try-on haul a couple of weeks ago, and I've been very busy, so I don't remember what I styled with what. So I'm just showing you over here in the video. So forgive me, I'm just being honest, and that's that's just what it is. Okay, the last item I picked up from Walmart was this white shirt with the bow tie and the buttons down here. And this shirt is a small, a 4-6, and I paid $18 for this. I don't know what the regular price was, but it was on sale for $18 and I think 60 cents or something like that. But this is a free assembly top, and as you can see, I have the same. I just call them harem pants because I don't know what they are, but they're jeans on, and it looks really good with those jeans. But like I said, I wore this the other day with with this, as you can see over here. I'm showing it to you with my free assembly skirt, and I thought the whole look was really, really cute. So I've already decided to wear this with some other jeans that I have. I just like the shirt. I like the puff here on the sleeve, and of course, I think they called this I think it was the pussy willow bow or something like that. I have to look it up, and when I find it, I'll put it over here on the side. But I don't know why they call it that. I don't know. Anyway, so this is another shirt that I got from Walmart, and it's by Free Assembly. I'm sorry, the white shirt was actually $18.20. The tags came off, but that's how much the white shirt was, like I said, by Free Assembly. And then the last thing I picked up from Walmart, which was on their sale rack, was this Hanes sweatshirt. I like to buy oversized sweatshirts, and I wear them in the wintertime. I'll put them on with jeans or something like that, or some bottom sweatpants or whatever, just a casual look. But I got it because it was only $7.19. I don't know where you guys live, if they use these big yellow tags in Walmart. This is like when they're on the for sale rack, not like on sale on the rack with all the clothes, and they put the little white tags on. Well, that's how they do here. They have the little white tags on them. But then when they're on sale, like get them out of here sale, they have these loud yellow tags on them. So yeah, just a plain, black sweatshirt that I'll probably wear in the wintertime. And sometimes it just depends on where I am. I'll wear this if it's long enough, with like some booties and some tights underneath, like the little short tights, just so they can peep out a little bit at the bottom, and then some booties or something like that with some long socks. You can tell I grew up in the 80s. Okay, so that was the last item that I got from Walmart. Now, here lately, I don't know what it is with Amazon, but I haven't been hitting. They have been misses. So anyway, here are the pants that I got from Amazon, and here they are in person. So, I mean, I guess, again, I don't know. I guess it just wasn't what I was expecting. So I did style the pants here some different ways. So I don't know. I just feel like I haven't been getting what I expected, So, but I do like them. I thought they were shorter. I thought they hit the knee, and they don't. They go all the way down to like where my ankle is, but they don't really taper at the ankle like I kind of see on this picture here. But then I saw like a style with the yellow shirt and the orange pants, and I have that orange jacket. I think you can see it here in the picture, and I don't know if I'll wear the orange jacket with it, and then also have a blue jacket that is this color, which I really think will be cute. So I think I'm going to style it with the orange shirt, the yellow shirt, the orange pants, and the blue jacket, just to bring out the blue a little bit more. And then maybe I'll do it again with the orange jacket. I don't know. You'll see it one day in a short or something like that. Last two items I'm going to show you I got from Academy. I went into Academy. I'm going to show you guys too, because I'm really trying to, lift heavy, and I needed some 25-pound weight. So I'm actually going to show you that, but I'm going to show you that in another video that I'm going to do accessories with. But anyway, I got this men's, looks like a thermal shirt, if you will. But I got this men's shirt. It is a medium. It is by Linea. Uomo. I don't know who that brand is, but anyway, these were on sale, and they were $9.99. I got it in this black one, and then also got it And this red one, which is long, yes, they were on sale for $9.99 at Academy. And this is like really long. It's another one that could, look like a dress on me if I chose to wear it as a dress. But more than likely, I'll probably wear this with some jeans, kind of tuck it a little bit. I have some booties, or I could style it with some red heels or black heels. It just depends. But I like to do the oversized, men's sweaters. I try to steal my husband's as well, but since he doesn't like me wearing his clothes all the time that he still wears, then I just go to the men's department, buy my own stuff. Okay, guys, that's the end of my rack. Little short, cute try on haul. Like I said, I'm being very transparent. I don't remember what I styled with what. So that's why I was just saying, I'm just showing you what I, tried different things on with, but I'll show you in my shorts, how I style these things and kind of incorporate them into my wardrobe. The last thing, I will link everything that I can down in my description box. I was looking into the LTK thing. I don't really know how to do that just yet. I think when I get bigger, maybe I could do an LTK. I don't know. I'm still looking into that. So several days have gone by and I forgot to close out this vlog. So anyway, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you can be notified as to when I post new videos. Thank you to my new subscribers. We are on our way to 500 subs and I am so grateful and appreciative. Love you guys dearly for supporting me and rocking with me. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.